Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you a really special part of your e-scooter. This here is the VTAS e-scooter lock. It's a lock for your scooter, a high security lock with a rubber lock sleeve, and a handcuff lock for the locky scooter, and a bicycle and an e-bike, a pedelec. It is for scooters, for motorcycles too, and what you need to lock. Wow. Because here, honest, scooters and bikes are super convenient. But they're also very attractive targeted of thieves. So today I'm checking out this high security handcuff-style lock with a rubber protection sleeve. Designed for e-scooters, bicycles, pedelecs and even motorcycles. Let's see, that is actually worth using in everyday life. Alright, yeah, here we go. Instead of the typical chain or the cable lock, this one uses a handcuff-style locking mechanism. What makes this inversion is that the two metal ends lock together very securely, which makes it harder to cut or break compared to standard cable locks. The lock also comes with a rubber protective sleeve, which is a really nice touch. This prevents scratches on a scooter frame or bike paint. If you ever have damaged your frame with a metal lock before, you will definitely appreciate this feature, of course. The lock is made from solid, reinforced metal, which gives it a strong and a durable feel. It's clearly designed to resist the cutting tools and physical force. And another advantage of the handcuff design is the flexibility. So we can easily attach a scooter or bike to poles, railings, bike racks, or other fixed objects like a chair. The compact shape also makes it easier to handle compared to the bulky chain locks. And because of its design, thieves often have less space to place the cutting tools, which adds another layer of protection for us. And using the lock is very straightforward, easy peasy. So we simply wrap it around the scooter frame and the fixed object. Then we click the locking mechanism into place. And of course, we need a key to lock the system. Job's done. Opening is just as simple using the key. The mechanism feels smooth and reliable, which is important when we are using it daily, of course. A little bit cool stuff is, of course, we have 3 keys completed into it to use these separately if we need them. Another practical advantage is the portability. The lock is compact enough to carry it in a backpack or in storage, which we can install on the scooter as well. And there it stays not only with this lock system. Yeah, you can also get a drink into it for as well, or other parts. So, and of course, it's enough to carry a backpack attached to a scooter without adding too much bulk. This lock is either for an e-scooter, a bicycle, a pedelec, or even a motorcycle. It's especially useful for short stops like shopping, communicating, and parking in the urban areas where the risk is higher. Of course, the lock is 100% thief-proof. Okay, 99%. But using a strong wearable lock like this significantly reduces, of course, our risk there. So we have pros: strong metal construction, unique handcuff looking, rubber sleeve, compact and portable, easy to fasten to use, suitable for multiple vehicles. Slightly heavier than simple cables, it can be on the not so good side. Limited locking lengths compared to long chain locks, of course. But personally, I think the lock offers a great balance between security, convenience, and portability. So, easy peasy, baby. And of course, we can handle another cup of delicious liquid in the storage too. So, thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!